Chris here from the Inside Peak. I'm here with Lisa Garrity at her Allstate office in downtown Apex. We're going to learn a little bit about her and her business.
Am I supposed to say something? You want me to talk?
No, you're good.
Okay, good.
So Lisa, when did you open this location?
I started my agency in 1990, June of 1990, and actually it was across the street until 2007. Then we moved to this present location in the end of 2007.
What do you do when you're not selling great insurance policies? What are you about?
Well, you know, I took up a few years ago getting very athletic and getting involved in the running community and the biking community, and then eventually did some triathlons
And what?
and Ironman.
There you go.
And the half Ironman. And
That is so
that
impressive.
Kind of stuff.
If you're strong enough mentally to do a Ironman, you got to be really devoted to your work in all aspects of your life, I would imagine. So I bet that comes with it. That says a lot to your character, I think. So I see you're part of a lot of things in the community.
Chamber of Commerce, Women Business
Yes, that's what it
Network, and also the Apex Rotary Club. And then, you know, I do volunteer work with, well, not really volunteer work, but I support the Apex Park and Rec Department. One thing that we did do this year, though, is we partnered with Healing Transitions, which is a recovery center in Raleigh for men and women. And there was 20 of us, Allstate agents, that got together, or Allstate employees, and we painted the Women's Center, and Allstate donated $20,000 to them.
Sounds like a worthy cause. Allstate gives you money to kind of spend in the area.
Right.
To put back in the community.
Exactly.
That's great. Allstate kind of provides you with a structure, but it's up to you to make the business succeed, right?
I'm an independent contractor,
So it's your own little business, not little, but you're very successful, but under Allstate. So when your son was 3, you said, I'm going to open my own business and be an entrepreneur, and Apex is where I'm going to do it. And since then, for quite a while, you've laid down a lot of roots and got a lot of Apex people as your long-term clients.
Yeah, clients and friends, you know, I think it's important to ingrain yourself in the community.
And it's funny how many things you share, even though it's a different industry, with challenges of a small business owner. But it seems like you overcame one, which is employees.
Yes.
You were telling me they've been with you how long?
Stellar employees. Teresa has been with me for 20 years. We just celebrated that in November. And Tasha has been with me 15 years, and we celebrated that in August.
That's great.
It's
That's
great.
so unheard of.
I am really blessed and lucky to have such great employees.
So when people move here, is it often they actually find an agent to work with them one-on-one, or do most people call a big 1-800 number call center?
You know, with Allstate, it seems like people still call me direct.
And what's the benefit of having somebody local versus?
You know, I think that personal contact, where you've got someone who knows your area, you've got someone who knows the coverages, there's somebody you can hold accountable by walking through the front door and meeting them face to face.
Yeah. Is there anything that people who would shop for insurance, what do you wish they knew? What's a good piece of advice you could offer to people that they might not think of?
The coverage is the most important thing.
What do you mean?
People really shop for price because, you know, insurance is not something that people embrace. It's not like getting a new car or a new stereo. It's not a sexy product, really. And price is important. I understand everybody has a bank account that they need to protect, but you don't do so at the loss or sacrifice of coverage.
And how do you make sure someone is properly covered? I guess get to know their story. Right?
Get to know their story, get to know them, but also talk about the coverages and talk about why you might want to have this.
What insurances do you offer?
We offer automobile insurance, homeowners insurance, including renters or landlord policies if someone has rental property, personal umbrella, which is for liability. We offer commercial insurance for small businesses. We offer life insurance as well as financial products such as mutual funds, annuities, even employee benefits like long-term disability and some dental plans and some group life, that kind of thing.
Okay, so they can come and sit in this seat and talk to you, give you their story, and then from what they tell you, you can kind of guide them in the right direction as far as what you offer and how it can help them. Thank you very much for letting us come in your business.